the 2022 Ram 2500. This four-door, five-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, voice-activated navigation, a built-in garage door transmitter, a bedliner, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.